Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're back with Juzzy, and we've got some more mods for my 2022 Honda Rebel 500 Special Edition. Today we've got some genuine Diablo side covers. These are part number RB0089, and these are much like the top engine cover here on the side. This is a plastic sort of piece that has some 3M tape that you heat up with a heating gun, and then you simply slide it over the top like this. Now I was actually in two minds to whether I wanted to buy this or not, because I actually like the slim look of the waist of the bike like that, but as my friend was putting in an order for a part, I thought, oh yeah, why not? It's not very expensive. So as you can see here, we've got two genuine Diablo parts, and again, very similar to one of my previous installs if you've seen it, but if you haven't, here we've got the 3M adhesion promoter. So basically what you do is you wipe down the area that is here that you're going to join this trim onto, and then you need to use a normal hairdryer at home, peel back this red sticky tape cover, and then yeah, once you've got that tape all heated up, you can then join it onto that piece. So let's get to work with using the adhesion promoter and get this wiped down. So here is the sponge that's inside the adhesion promoter, and it's damp, and all you need to do is very easily just give the surfaces that the tape is going to join to a wipe down. So this should never probably see the sun of light ever again, but it's going to be nice, clean, and ready to have the new parts joined onto. So I'm just going to let that sit for a minute or two whilst it dries up, and I've just done the same thing to the other side. Not sure if that shows up in the camera there, I think it does. But yeah, so now I'm just going to move to removing these red strips with just some household tweezers I've got here, and I'll heat it up with the hairdryer. Okay, so I've heated it up and I've just simply applied it. This part goes right in here. Probably if you've got a side bag like I do, just found it a tiny little bit hard, but it did end up having enough room to push through and get it seated all the way in. So here's what the part looks like. Just gives it another little bit of depth at the waist there of the bike. Just helps the bike stand out a little bit there. Okay, so very simple install for this video today. We've got the RB0089 genuine Diablo side cover for the bike installed. Super easy install. Every time I do an install on a bike, I keep saying this is the easiest install I've done, but I actually think that this is probably the easiest. This one's actually easier than this one, because if you've got the front engine guard on, you've got a part to add there, which is just a different variation that KSpeed sells on their site. So yeah, I'll be shooting the install for that and other parts for both of our bikes in the coming weeks, just like usual. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.